Alright folks, the little dude is sleeping, but today I just had a funny idea. I got this pocket knife for my birthday, and I want to show you how to make a watering can with a simple milk jug, gallon milk jug, and a pocket knife. Alright, so it's pretty simple to make a hole. You just twist. So this is the hole that's going to provide air, so that this side will flow. So I'm just going to make multiple holes right in this area. Alright, so that should be good. My purpose for this is really just to water like more delicate things. So I don't want a ton of flow. So I kept my hole small, and I didn't do a ton of holes. You could do more or less, just depending on what you're going to use it for. So let's fill it up and see how she works. Alright, so we got it filled up. Just going to water this random collard green. See how she works. That is functional. Not bad. In my little hole right here, it staying above the water line. So unless I just dump it over, it won't work. But that's about right. If I need more water to come out, just make more holes. Make that hole maybe a little bigger too. But overall, that beats the heck out of paying $6 and going down to the hardware store.